So
it's already 30. It's already 35.
Oh, it's already 35. That's good.
You want to lower? No, keep going, keep going. And then once you're happy with the amount of air you're taking out, just check again.
So that's 30.
That's 30.
That's, oh, I was actually good guesstimate there. Can you go grab the bottle? The one that's like bouncing around in the center. Careful. My bushes are really... I think, or bushes. Probably suspension bushes.
That's fine, you don't need those.
Yeah. I'm glad I didn't put the back can up, it's already dropped.
Nice.
I need to get a better mount.
Yeah, I was expecting that for this heat as well. Go!
Third gear.
Slowly. Exhale a little bit.
Oh, are you leaking coolant there with that overflow? Oh, it's overflow. Oh man. What a day. How's the temp gauge?
It hasn't moved, but it's
That's
boiling,
good.
so I think my
Yeah.
temp sensor's off.
Maybe it is. Hopefully we weren't driving too long with it like that though.
Probably was.
Yeah, knowing that. Might have to get a new temp sensor and what's it called?
A new rad.
Thermostat?
New rad and
Thermostat probably, but like a lower density one I think it's called. Can't remember the name of it. The one that's like more sensitive.
yeah. Might do a U-turn here.
Yeah. What a view though.
Holy fuck, yeah, you're right.
Yeah, I know. I got that on video too. Probably just the liquid probably just heated up above what the sensor could read maybe. Even then it should have just stayed on, like, because it would just flick on. It was smooth sailing from there.
Yeah, overheating.
Whew. Well, at least it did that successfully, so I think we might have to baby it
Yeah.
until we get to town, and then
I'm
we
gonna
can
be at the back of the pack for the rest of the day now.
yeah, which is sad.
Yeah. By the time we got to here, it started to pick up a bit.
I got more boys around, so I might be able to get me a Jerry.
So we're here at Marysville at the moment, just at the park. There is an Ampol right down the back there, but unfortunately it doesn't have 95 or 98. It's only a 91 petrol station, and it's only 24-hour card. Unfortunately, my friend for the Forester, he's not going to be able to actually fill up because he needs a higher octane, but also he's got less range and it's not going to be enough to make it down the mountain. So right now we're just going to go get a jerry can, but we're stopping for a break first and everyone else is going to go from there. But anyway, I'll just talk to the guys and I'll see you guys when we get to the rest stop. Is that a Mazda Cosmo? What is that Lotus? The clip you're about to watch is from one of my biggest mistakes on the Touge so far. This is a mixture between driver error, brake fade, overheated tires, and understeering. It's something that can easily be corrected if you use good quality tires, good quality brakes, better brake fluid, but also don't drive above your means. So I hope that you guys learn from this just as much as I did. Anyway, enjoy. That's the first time that happened.
Yeah.
I'm good, I'm good. Yeah, just spun out.